Dakshina and Parishad Paisa is a progressive organization, and we are furthering principles enshrined in Constitution of India. Which are those principles? Equality, socialism, secularism, and no government can ban this Parishad. It will be foolish. In fact, any government has to support this wholeheartedly. So their demand that government should ban is foolish. You have to ask them. We will create law and order.
Only because their thought is not progressive.
I think most of the poets are Sahitya Akademi. There are some Jnanpitacho कोण नाही असतात. Padmashri asa, Padma Bhushan asa.
It will have repercussions internationally. Jari ti Rashtriya Parishad National Conference, I am going to assure you, this will be, the international scenario will take cognizance of this conference, because this is probably the first time a conference of intellectuals, scholars and progressive writers are coming together nationwide to voice their concerns.